pressure. Nah, we'll make it. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Well, just got up. Got to work tonight. It's going to be great. But content is content. Yeah, I'm awake. Let's go. Well, we're back again. And forgive me, I am a little tired. Just woke up and I got to work again here soon. So, speed glass. We went into this already. We're going to be following it up with hydro bead, combining the two together, which is great. And then, like I said before, speed glass is like a combo. You know, it's a great wash, so keep that in mind. Great wash, but it also protects your car from like UV rays and whatever, maybe literally everything, even like Mars. Okay, and then yeah, we're gonna get into this one. Like I said, comes in great detail in the back what each product does. And then I'm going to get into this one next after we get done. Well, you get the point. All right, let's go. All right, guys, keep in mind that when I do this, folded microfiber towel. And I might have said that wrong, but just bear with me. I'm trying to like wake up. Fold it. You really don't need a lot of spray either. Let's go. Now, some people, they'll spray it on here. I know you can't see my face, but that's okay. Some people can, spray it on. Like I said, you don't need a lot. All right. Or you get spread on the vehicle, but like I said, not a lot. So maybe a little bit. Speed glass here and there. Up and down. You don't want to be doing swirls. So no swirls, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm not going to use a lot. Maybe we'll do half and half. How about that? Half and half. You can tell it's a nice day out. There's a Harley. I can hear them. I'm sure you can too. And I'm going to get to the fender as well, but I'm going to try and get a little bit of this stuff. Yep. Like I said, you don't need a lot. Just gonna squirt a little bit. I'm going to reach up here. Can I reach up here? I'm not used to like cleaning like this, but I don't want my booty in the picture, you know? Little blemishes and whatnot. All right. Get the front here. I always try to get the front of this part here because, bugs. All right. Oh, we're folding on here. There we go. Jeez. What do you know? Where are you trying to go, buddy? All right, let's get back over here. Wipe her down one quick motion real quick. Like I said, you don't really need a lot. Got little scuffs here and there from hitting rocks and whatnot. All the construction is beautiful. All right, check it out. You can tell it's clean, right? Clean side, dirty side. Yeah. All right. Now, I've gone ahead and finished the rest of the hood, but I didn't do the fender. So let's get into the fender. Yeah. All right. Just a little bit. I already pre-sprayed. Just a little bit. Right. Get this fender pretty good. Oh yeah. You can tell you're getting old. Your knees just, around that emblem, that badge, whatnot, what they call it, Maybe got a little bit of blood residue on her. There we go. Got her off. What do you know? Sweet. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to show you one angle. I better show you the other after I'm done. That's just with speed glass. I still got to use the hydro bead. Not too bad, not too bad. After I'm done shooting this video, I might finish up the whole car and throw that in the end, but yeah. Great. Next. Yep. I think I heard a crappy bike go by. I'm not sure. It didn't sound like a Harley. All right, we're going to the hydro bead right here. Yep, beautiful. And in here we have what it says: paint, vinyl, ceramic, and plasti dip. You know, my car being basically vinyl. It's a wrap. It's a sealant spray. On the back, like I said, each bottle will tell you what's up. All right. Lasts up to 3 months. The sealant for glass, metal, plastic, paint. Hydro bead is made of fluorocarbon polymers and SiO2. It's hard for me to pronounce these things. And then hydrophobic properties: UV resistant, heat resistance, oxidation, and static resistance. Last up to 3 months. More construction. And then there's 2 different ways you can use this. Like I said, you can spray it on. You'll work your way from panel to panel, part to part, and then over the surface, wait about, I think it's 10-15 minutes or so. Then rinse it off with some water. All right, yeah, you know, spray it off, stuff like that. Or use a fiber, like microfiber, fold it up, you know, lightly spray it on there, work your way around, and then you can wait a little bit and, you know, go back over to the different fiber, fold it, you know, wipe it all off. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna show you guys what's up. All right, great product. Let's get into it. Now, like I might have stated, you know, I'm not a pro. I'm not some big detailing guy, but I love to detail my car. I'm sure you do too. So just bear with me. I know some people out there that detail cars for a living probably laughing at me, and that's okay. Lightly. There we go. Oh, look at that brand new spray. All right, cool. Don't need a lot. Keep in mind, I'm using a different microfiber. That's what you want. All right, let's get back onto this side. Don't mind coming back to, you know, back to the show. The camera fell. All right. As long as you know, I'm not trying to hide something from you. The whole side over here, man. The whole front. Yeah. Make sure I got this up here too. You know, you don't want to miss anything. Can't miss anything. Looking great. Sweet. All right. Now, after waiting about, you know, 5 to 10 minutes, just go through and wipe her down with your towel. Microfiber. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, race car. Ooh, race car. Ooh. Now I'm going to move on to the fender here and get to this. I'm sure you guys don't need to watch me do a fender when you ever see me do the hood. So, yeah. Yep. And keep in mind, guys, if you guys see some little scuffs here and there, this wrap on this car is about 3 years old. So she's seen better days. And for paint, man, this stuff would really work. But I'm just showing you how it will work on a vinyl or wrapped car. As you saw before, it was dirty, it was dusty, and well, I trusty the deluxe car, that was dumb. But you see it works. All right, skip. All right, well, I'm pretty much done doing the hood and the fender, and this is from the Speed Gloss one. As you can see, I have I picked up some dirt there. You know, that's great. Remember, those are just basically surface dust and a couple little, you know, particles from the country and the farm, you know, whatever. But yeah, hopefully you guys like that part in the video. I'm gonna pull the car out and do the rest of it and show you, you know, how she looks. Well, she's sunny out. We're gonna pull her out too. out here in the, you know, exposed light. The front bumper's got some bugs, the grill's dirty, whatnot. That's just, it's common. But that hood, man, that fender, man, whew, she's slick. The rest of the car, I can't really say the same. There's dirt all up in here. Back here, as usual, getting the drops again. She's crying. All right. Well, speed gloss and hydro bead on this side. All right. Sweet. Now, I went ahead and did the rest of the car. Well, speed gloss on the side. And she was pretty dirty. So that's nice. Keep in mind this is another new one. So great. Hydro bead. Well, there we go. New cloth. Again, you don't need much. Somebody's been burning out down the road. If it ain't me, I usually get blamed for it. Yep. I hear a Harley. Now, as you remember, we came across the side, it was crying. Well, she's still crying. However, this side looks really nice. That's the finished product. Now, obviously, I went back through it and wiped down after hydro bead. And I left it half and half on the hood. The hood. the roof. And no, it's not on fire. Obviously, you can tell the side's dirty over here. Clean. Yeah, that was off. All right. Man, I get those wheels again too. Well, you know my previous video, what to use on those wheels. Well, any wheel. Time to do the rest of the car. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Well, it's getting late. And she's looking about 122% better. Not bad for a 3-year-old wrap. Like I said, it works for your paint, your vinyls, and more. Yes, that means more. She's looking good though. All right. Well, I gotta start wrapping it up because I gotta start getting ready for work. Sweet. So, here we are in the house, not outside. Getting a little hot. It's all right. But anyway, the video goes over speed gloss, hydro bead. Hopefully you guys found this video to be useful on a 3-year-old wrapped vinyl car. But it does work on everything. And you'll be surprised by the results, trust me. And like I said, each bottle goes through in detail what each product is about, how it'll help your car, how it's safe, and so forth. So the reason why you guys might not even see my daughter today is because, well, it's her birthday. She's 1 year old. And happy birthday, little girl. And she's with mommy right now. She's not with daddy. Daddy's got to work. He's got to pay the bills. And so they're out visiting family. So if you guys want to leave a happy birthday for my daughter down below, that'd be great. I'm sure when she gets older, she'll look at that and appreciate it and then realize how much of a dork her dad is, but it's all right. And if you guys have not checked it out, go to Deluxe Car Care. Check out the products. If you guys are buying, then use Pedretti 10, all caps. All right, I'll leave that down below. And also check out Deluxe Car Care on Facebook, their website, Instagram. If you guys have any questions and you want to talk to them, they can go over anything you need. So, yeah, check them out, man. Catch you later. Yeah.